You guys, selling your house is way more complicated than buying a house. My brain is literally like fried right now. I think I'm gonna get another one of those. Those would be perfect for my coffee mugs. Do I have too many coffee mugs?
Yeah, way too many coffee mugs.
You use them now. Now you drink
No, they don't
coffee.
need.
No, now you drink coffee.
Too many. It's not about me, it's about you. Okay?
But you then don't use my coffee mugs then.
Okay.
Hey, where are you going? He's so crazy. Let's get one more of these. These are so cool, guys. You guys are moving. Definitely recommend these here at Home Depot. I love the way this looks. So now I'm just gonna decorate all this. Oh, how cute is that? And then he did this over here, my little handyman. He's finally getting the house exactly how I want it. Only because we're staging. Where are you going?
I'm playing my piano.
Okay, so this wall right here is very, very empty. That would look nice right there. I was filming the kitchen, but he started rapping. I'm still not done cleaning the table, but dude,
Just waking
oh my
up
gosh.
in the morning, gotta thank God. I'm just enjoying getting you water, okay, while listening to Ice Cube.
Yeah, he's getting me water because he doesn't know how to help me. Because he's like, I don't know what to do.
But I'm here though, girl. It's called moral support.
You're my support system.
Say it again.
You're my support system.
That's right, baby. Punch. With the agua. Here you go, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
I love you.
I love you too, honey.
Hey guys, don't mind the appearance. It's like I've been cleaning all day. We just finished doing the outdoor area. This is a table we made for the inside. It's actually gotten very weathered, how you can tell. I love it. Do you like it? Like, it's like imperfect, but it's just really, really nice.
Yeah.
There's Daryl. He just finished cutting the grass. That's our little centerpiece. But we really just got like appreciation. We never chill out here, but this is so beautiful. Let me show you our view. Isn't that gorgeous? You can hear the birds, the nature. It's just so pretty. And Daryl did an amazing job on the grass.
Thanks, honey.
This is our little centerpiece. Just super simple. I got these at Target. They're super cute. They're $3. Yep, $3 at the dollar spot. And I love it. So yeah, guys, this is like, I guess, a little goodbye to our backyard in a way, right?
Yeah, because you just never know how fast it's going to sell, right? So
Yeah.
this might be it.
Hey guys, so we just met with our first realtor. It was really cool. She actually loved the house a lot. She thinks that it will sell really fast. She says that it looked staged, which I was really excited about because I was really nervous. Hi, there's Daryl. What's up?
I'm not gonna lie, like as the person that's like done most of the work in this house, I was a little bit nervous. I was scared she'd just be like, "You did that crown molding, like you did this crown, like you know." But she actually liked it.
I know. I was really, really excited. She loved
Very
it,
fortunate.
which made me feel like she could be a good agent because she
actually liked it.
She actually liked it a lot versus like a guy that's just like, "Oh, it's cool, I guess."
Yeah.
But yeah, it went pretty well. We have another 5 o'clock, and then we have one tomorrow. I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens.
Yeah. Well, now it's like since we've sat down with her, like since you already like her, at least now she can stand out even more if they don't
impress us.
Up,
yeah,
you know?
For sure.
So
yeah, the bar is definitely set high.
Yeah. Your bar said hi.
Oh gosh. Okay, bye guys. But yeah, guys, look how nice the house looks. Holler. This looks amazing. I do think I want to get more pillows here. I don't know. I just don't think it looks 100% like how I want it for the staging. But that's the kitchen. Everything looks so nice and neat. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Our house is never this clean.
Like it's totally like it's ready to go.
I mean, she even said, she's like, the pictures are ready.
Yeah,
because like
she's like, I usually have to have a pre-consulting meeting with whoever,
before pictures,
right? But she was like, you guys are fine. Like, it's all because of you, baby.
No, because of you.
You.
Your DIY is in my decor. That's why I'm a DIY decor channel.
That's right, baby.
She loved the barn door too. She said she's never seen one that big. That's what she said. We've watched way too much Office. If you guys get what we just said, give this video a thumbs up. If you guys love The Office, like we love The Office, that was hilarious. So yeah, so this is the barn door. It is really huge. Oh, dang it, don't say it. But yeah, and then this is the entryway. I changed out all this, but you guys already saw the video on that because I had made an entryway video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. But yeah, guys, we're saying goodbye to this little house. Hey guys, so it's 3 o'clock. We have one more hour of our open house. This is our second open house, and we're just ready for this house to sell.
Yeah.
Selling your house is a whole different game. I thought buying, remember I was like, oh, buying the house was crazy. Honestly, guys, selling your house and buying another house is even worse. Like it's a lot. Because we literally already have the San Antonio house. We got approved. We have everything ready to go for that house. But we cannot close on that house until we sell this house. It's irking me because we could probably, if we want to, we can swing 2 mortgages. But we don't want to do that because you just never know.
Yeah.
And
it's a risky game.
yeah, so we're driving right now. We're actually going to go see the floor plan that we chose, the house that we bought. It's the model home. Oh, I'm not even in frame. It's the model home. So we're gonna go see that. I don't know if it's a good idea or not because we're gonna get excited even more so. So yeah, we're gonna go see this model house and see. I just want to see the decor, how they laid it out and stuff. Because this house is like massive and there's like a lot of sections in this house and I'm like, how am I gonna decorate this? I just want to check in with you guys and talk to you guys real quick about how the house selling is going. And yeah, I mean, we basically have packed most of our stuff, right?
Yeah.
Most of our stuff's packed already in the garage. There's like a billion boxes in there, and we're just ready to go. But yeah, guys, we shall see what happens. Hey guys, okay, so it's freaking hot in Texas right now. It feels like 107 degrees, and we just finished our second open house. It didn't go that well. Only 2 people came. Oh yeah. So now we're probably gonna do another price drop, and yeah. I mean, the thing is, we could easily just leave it like as it is. And our realtor, well, she's our tour guide, or what is she? Our tour?
She does the open houses.
She does the open houses. She even said, like, if we had more time to sell this house, we could easily have sold it at the price that we put in initially. But because we're trying to sell like in 30 days, it's kind of like, it's different because we really, really want the house in San Antonio. I don't want to lose the house. Daryl doesn't want to lose that house. So yeah, it is August 30th, and oh my gosh, we're working on getting this offer together for the counter offer for the people that submitted an offer to the house. On the other side, our house in San Antonio, it's August 30th. We have until the 31st to get a buyer for our house. And it's crazy how God made it happen. It's so crazy because we literally we're already thinking like, we're not gonna get this house. I had literally just sent an email to our sales consultant the day before we got an offer for the house and told him, I'm sorry, but we have to walk away. We're probably not gonna get an offer. And then the next day we got an offer, and I'm like, this is such a God thing. Like, oh my gosh, so crazy. So now I literally am just like, I couldn't sleep last night. I did not sleep at all. I don't know if you can tell. Like, I have bags under my eye. I couldn't sleep last night because I've been so like, oh my gosh, what's going to happen with this? And now it's the morning, and I am just trying to see what's going on. People that put the offer in the house, they're selling their house, and they're working out on a deal. They're negotiating out an offer for their house. They need to get to a conclusion to have an offer for their house in order for us to even take them seriously, one, and for us to keep the house in San Antonio. So man, it's a lot depending on other people when it comes to selling your house. It's crazy. But I'm on my phone. I just wanted to get on here, even though I look crazy, and like give you guys an update of what's been going on. Yeah, I guess we shall see what happens. I actually have a call right now with our realtor in 8 minutes. So we're going to definitely see what's up with this offer. They did offer a very low offer, and they're asking for like a bunch of stuff, and I'm just like, no. Look how crazy my hair is. Oh, Mufasa hair. You guys, selling your house is way more complicated than buying a house. My brain is literally like fried right now. I'm about to go upstairs, lay in bed, and watch The Office and not think about being an adult. Because, oh my gosh, like, I just want to sell this house like easy peasy, and it's so complicated. I just keep telling myself, like, we're this close. We're this close to being where we want to be. Like, just suck it up. But right now, I'm just gonna chill. It's about 4:30. Daryl gets out at 5. He'll probably call me at 5. So I'm just gonna chill until he gets here, because I don't even want to like keep thinking about this, because I know we're gonna probably talk about it all night. We're gonna talk about it all night. I'm out, guys. I am out. I am exhausted. Bye. Okay, so the last time we spoke, we had a buyer. They ended up backing out. They ended up not being able to sell their house, and they just didn't want to move forward because they wanted to have an offer for their house before they bought another house, which I do understand, but at the same time, it's just like, oh my gosh, like, when are we gonna sell this house? I don't know, but it's so crazy how it works, because I got an email from our realtor stating that, and then literally like an hour later, I get a text message from another realtor saying they want to show our house today. So that just like, it's so like, it's such a roller coaster of like emotions with this. It's not even funny. Like, you think you're gonna sell your house and you're just like, all right, cool, and then it's like, nope, sorry. And then another like realtor comes in and says like, okay, we want to show your house, and it's just like, oh my gosh. So I just got the house ready. I had turned all the lights on. I opened all the blinds. And the different thing about this one is that he's actually going to be FaceTiming his clients who are in San Diego, California. So that's pretty cool. I know that's like a new way of like showing, especially because like a lot of California people are moving to Austin. I totally get that. So I feel like this might work. This might work because this house, the way it's decorated, it's like Texas farmhouse kind of all day. So they may want that feel moving to Texas from California. Who knows? But I'm gonna be in my office. I asked the realtor if I could still stay because I do have some deadlines I still have to work. So I asked him if I could stay, and he said yeah. So I'm gonna be in my office. He'll probably show my office first, and then I'll just like come in here and close the door, and then he can like leave or whatever. But yeah, this selling your house stuff it's no joke, guys. It's a lot of stuff goes into it, for real. I'm honestly just trying to be patient and praying to God like for patience, and just letting me kind of just go through these, I don't know. Ugh, my hair is so hot here. It's September, what is it, September 3rd? And it's freaking hot. Okay, well, I just want to get on here. I can't even talk right now. Oh my gosh. Like, I just wanted to catch you guys up on what's going on. I really wanted to film this because I want you guys to see like the real behind selling your house. And yeah, it's definitely like everybody I have spoken to that has sold a house, they're like, yes, it's the worst. It's officially worse to me selling your house than it is to buy a house. So that's just my 2 cents.